Xiaomi is no longer just the budget smartphone company. With the new Book Pro 14, they are taking a direct shot at the premium ultrabook market. We're talking a 3.1K OLED touchscreen, the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, and a build quality that feels, well, surprisingly familiar. But at nearly half the price of a spec-matched MacBook Pro, is there a catch? I'm Teltech, and this is our deep dive into the Xiaomi Book Pro 14. First impressions? It's sleek. It uses 6 Series aviation-grade aluminum and a CNC integrated carving process. It weighs in at just about 1.4 kilograms, 3.1 pounds, and is impressively thin at 14.9 millimeter. The finish is a ceramic sandblasted texture that resists fingerprints better than most. One major win here, the hinge. It's smooth enough to open with one hand. A small detail, but it's the hallmark of a premium machine. For ports, we've got a Thunderbolt 4, a full-function USB-C, a legacy US 3.2, and an HDMI 2.1. It's a healthy mix, though I would have loved to see an SD card slot for creators. This screen is the reason you buy this laptop. It's a 14.6-inch E4 OLED panel with a 3.1K resolution. That 16:10 aspect ratio is perfect for productivity. Because it's OLED, the contrast is effectively infinite. You're getting 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, and a peak brightness that hits up to 600 nits in HDR mode. Whether you're color grading video or just watching Netflix, it looks incredible. It also supports a 120Hz refresh rate. Everything from scrolling through web pages to system animations feels buttery smooth. It is a touchscreen, protected by Gorilla Glass, though there's no active stylus support in the box. Under the hood, our unit is rocking the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, paired with 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM. In daily use, Chrome tabs, Slack, Spotify, and some light 4K editing in Premiere, it doesn't even break a sweat. In Cinebench R23, it holds its own against the Dell XPS 13 and even the MacBook Air M3 in multi-core scores. The integrated Intel Arc graphics are also a massive step up from the old Iris Xz. You can actually do some light gaming here. Think Genshin Impact or Valorant at respectable frame rates. Xiaomi's dual-fan, triple-heat pipe system keeps things cool. Under heavy load, the fans are audible, but it's a whoosh rather than a high-pitched whine. The keyboard has 1.3 millimeters of travel. It's tactile and quiet. The trackpad is massive and uses a glass surface with haptic feedback. It feels very similar to the Force Touch trackpads on Macs, which is high praise. Battery life comes from a 72 watt-hour cell. In our standardized office work test, we got about 9 to 10 hours. It'll get you through a workday, but that high-res OLED panel does drain it faster than an IPS equivalent. Luckily, the 100-watt GAN charger in the box is tiny and can get you to 50% in about 35 minutes. So, should you buy it? The pros: that gorgeous 3.1K 120Hz OLED screen, excellent build quality and haptic trackpad, competitive pricing compared to Western flagship brands. The cons: the 1080p webcam is just okay, no RAM upgradability. If you're a student or a professional looking for a Windows alternative to the MacBook Pro without the $2,000 price tag, the Xiaomi Book Pro 14 is a powerhouse that looks and feels like it costs way more than it does. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments. Would you choose this over a MacBook? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.